Welcome to the Windows and Easy Tech channel for every platform anyways. Welcome aboard, and this is a quick announcement and a quick look at the newest Google Chrome web browser update. So there has been some tweaks and some changes in the way that the updates are going. But we knew that Google would actually update its Chrome browser. So if you want to know if you're at the latest version, upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go into Help and About Google Chrome. The latest version of Google Chrome is at version 81, and this update actually has a lot of bug fixes. So if you want to know a little more about what's new in here, there's a few little things happening under the hood. The Windows and Computer channel is where you need to go. That's where I'm reviewing it a little more thoroughly. Here is, I'm trying to concentrate more on enhancing these new versions for the security side of things, because there's a lot of security fixes in here, moderate and some of high impact, meaning that, maybe bad guys are already exploiting it somewhere. If not, they're easy to exploit, so you better, update to the latest version for that purpose. Make sure that you're staying safe. So on the visual side of things, of course, not a lot of things changed and not a lot of visible things, but there's a few little things that have changed in here. So check it out because it updated late on April 7th. I've been using it all day yesterday and wanted to at least tell everybody that it's available on PC, on Mac, on Android, and on Linux. So if you are using Google Chrome, make sure that you update to this latest version. There will be a jump in versions because the next version 82 has been canceled, which means that at some point the next version that we'll get of Google Chrome will jump to version 83 directly rather than go to 82. So once again, if you want to make sure that you update, if it's not updated, go into the upper right corner, 3 vertical dots, go into Help, About Google Chrome, and make sure that you check out. It should update by itself if it was not updated yet. Google Chrome version 81 with lots of security fixes that are very, very important to apply. And if you're not sure to update, at least update for that reason. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.